Many people spend years jumping from one diet to another, constantly chasing faster weight loss and quicker results. At first, the numbers on the scale may go down, but over time, something frustrating often happens. Weight loss slows down, energy drops, hunger increases, and it starts feeling like your body is working against you. This is why so many people believe they have damaged their metabolism after years of crash dieting. Today we will talk about how to fix your metabolism after years of crash dieting. So, before we start, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. 10. Stop cutting calories lower and lower. One of the biggest mistakes people make after years of dieting is assuming that eating even less is the solution. When weight loss slows down, many people immediately slash calories again. They skip meals, eliminate entire food groups, and try to survive on the smallest amount of food possible. The problem is that this often creates even more fatigue, hunger, cravings, and frustration. Your body is designed to adapt to periods of reduced food intake, so when calories stay very low for a long time, your body becomes more efficient at conserving energy. Instead of constantly trying to eat less, the focus should be on building a sustainable eating pattern that actually supports your daily needs. 9. Prioritize protein at every meal. Protein is one of the most important nutrients for supporting metabolism. It helps maintain muscle mass, supports recovery, and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. After years of crash dieting, preserving muscle becomes especially important because muscle tissue requires energy to maintain itself. Including quality protein sources throughout the day can help support a healthier body composition while also making meals more satisfying. Foods like eggs, fish, poultry, Greek yogurt, beans, lentils, and lean meats are all strong options that can easily be included in a balanced diet. 8. Stop being afraid of carbohydrates. Many crash diets teach people to fear carbohydrates, and after years of hearing that carbs are the enemy, some people start believing that foods like bread, rice, fruit, or potatoes will ruin their progress. In reality, carbohydrates are the body's main and preferred source of energy. Healthy carbohydrate sources such as fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains provide fiber, nutrients, and fuel for daily activity. The goal is not to eliminate carbs completely, but to choose better quality sources and eat them in balanced amounts that support your lifestyle. 7. Focus on strength training. If you've spent years focusing only on eating less, it becomes important to shift attention toward building strength. Strength training helps preserve and build muscle mass, which plays a key role in metabolic health. You don't need extreme workouts or a bodybuilding routine. Even simple resistance exercises done consistently can help improve muscle maintenance and body composition over time. Many experts consider strength training one of the most effective long-term tools for supporting a healthier metabolism. 6. Improve your sleep. Sleep is often ignored when people think about metabolism, but it plays a major role in hunger, energy, cravings, and recovery. Many people trying to manage weight focus only on diet while sleeping too little each night. And over time, that lack of rest starts affecting the entire body. Poor sleep can disrupt hunger hormones, making you feel hungrier during the day and less satisfied after meals. It can also lower energy levels, reduce motivation to exercise, and make emotional control around food much harder. When your sleep is inconsistent, your body never fully resets. You may wake up already feeling tired, rely more on caffeine, and find yourself craving quick energy foods just to get through the day. This creates a cycle that slowly affects both your physical and mental health. 5. Stop weighing yourself constantly. Years of dieting often lead to an unhealthy obsession with the scale. It starts to feel like your daily mood depends on a single number, even though that number is constantly changing for reasons that have nothing to do with fat loss or gain. Body weight naturally fluctuates due to water retention, digestion, sodium intake, hormones, stress, and even sleep quality. The problem is that when people don't understand these fluctuations, they react emotionally. A small increase on the scale can lead to panic, guilt, or extreme restriction even when nothing has actually gone wrong. Over time, this creates a toxic cycle where the scale controls decisions instead of real health progress. Stepping away from constant weighing helps break that cycle. Instead of focusing only on weight, it becomes more useful to track real signs of progress, like strength improvements, energy levels, workout performance, sleep quality, and how your clothes fit over time. These indicators give a much more accurate picture of what is actually happening in your body. 4. Eat more whole foods. Many diets teach people to focus only on calories, but food quality matters just as much as quantity. Whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, legumes, nuts, seeds, and whole grains provide essential nutrients that support overall health, digestion, and long-term satiety. When your diet is built mostly around processed foods, it becomes easier to overeat without feeling satisfied. These foods are often designed to be hyper-palatable but low in nutrients, which can leave you hungry again shortly after eating. Whole foods work differently. They tend to be more filling, more nutrient-dense, and more supportive of stable energy levels throughout the day. 3. Manage stress more effectively. Stress affects far more than mood. It can influence sleep, digestion, energy levels, recovery, appetite, and even how your body stores and uses energy. Many people who have dieted for years also carry ongoing stress about food, body image, and progress, which adds another layer of pressure on top of daily life. When stress stays high for long periods, the body can feel like it is always in survival mode. This can lead to stronger cravings, emotional eating, poor sleep, and low motivation. Over time, it becomes harder to stay consistent with healthy habits, not because of lack of discipline, but because the system is overloaded. Managing stress doesn't mean removing it completely. It means building small habits that help your body and mind reset regularly. Simple actions like walking, journaling, spending time outdoors, deep breathing, or doing something enjoyable without guilt can help bring your system back into balance. Even small reductions in stress can make healthy eating and lifestyle habits much easier to maintain. 2. Be patient with the process. One of the biggest mistakes people make is expecting fast results. After years of crash dieting, it becomes normal to look for quick fixes, rapid fat loss, or immediate changes in the mirror. But real metabolic recovery doesn't work that way. The body needs time to adjust after long periods of restriction. Hormones, hunger signals, energy levels, and digestion all take time to stabilize again. When you suddenly shift toward better nutrition and more balanced habits, your body is essentially relearning how to function without constant deprivation. That process cannot be rushed. 1. Stop dieting and start building habits. And now for the most important point. Stop chasing diets. After years of moving from one plan to another, many people start believing that the next diet will finally be the one that fixes everything. But the problem is not the lack of the perfect diet. The problem is relying on diets in the first place instead of building long-term habits. Diets are usually temporary. They are designed to give fast structure, fast rules, and fast results. But real life doesn't follow strict rules forever. That's why so many people eventually return to old patterns once the diet ends. Sustainable health comes from habits you can live with every day, not short-term rules you have to force yourself to follow. Things like eating balanced meals, staying active in a way you enjoy, sleeping consistently, managing stress, drinking enough water, and moving your body regularly. These habits may seem simple, but they are powerful because they are realistic. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comments below. Before you go, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.